In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record electronic drums on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your electronic drums and connect it to any smartphone. This will allow you to use software directly on your phone to record you playing. So this will work for any model of electronic drums. For this video, I chose to showcase this process with the Alesis Nitro Max, but like I said, any model is going to work. So for this, you will need a specific device. We are going to be using the iRig 2. So as you can clearly notice, this device is suitable to be connected to most smartphones. Of course, most smartphones nowadays do not feature a headphone jack, however, you are easily able to use an adapter to get it to work. So this device makes it very convenient to connect not only an electronic drum kit, but also any other instrument to your phone. To establish this connection, the primary way to do it is going to be to use the audio out port on the electronic drums module to the 1/4 inch input on the iRig 2. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is grab a 1/4 inch cable and then plug one end into the audio out of your electronic drum kit module and then the other end into the 1/4 inch instrument input on the iRig 2. You will be able to acquire this for roughly $40 US, and it is essential if you want to record on your phone. It is simple to set up because, like I said, all that you have to do is connect one end of a cable into the electronic drum kits module and then the other one into the iRig 2, and you can easily establish a connection between the device and your phone by using an adapter. So if you are using an iPhone, for example, you will be using a Lightning adapter to access the 3.5mm headphone jack. And once this is done, you can easily plug the device into your iPhone. This is also going to work for Android devices, and the connection will be established physically, allowing you to record anything that you play using apps on your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to record electronic drums on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.